Hello everybody. First just a little recap on this. If you've seen the videos, it looks like I missed and it's too late probably to get it down in there now. I might still be able to fill it in and put some glue in there. But I do think I gotta check to see. I've got some almost school glue. And I got of course that's the stuff that I used here, and I have distilled water. So tomorrow, because I've been working on this, well, you'll probably see it the same day you see this video, but I'm gonna do, I think the sparkle one, I'll do the school glue, and then I'll do the deleted, and then we can use this as our check for the regular one not being deleted. And we'll see how it goes. So we'll do that tomorrow. But for now, well, that'll probably be today for you guys. Anyways, I got this tonic kit, so let me tell you. So obviously I'm filming this the night before, but I got a message saying that this package was coming and it should have been here between 11:30 and 3, or 11:30 and 3, something like that, 3:30. And I waited. Didn't come. So about 5 o'clock, I got another message. Now, in the message that said it was coming between 11:30 and 3 or whatever it was, if you look back at the history, it was in Vegas. It was in North Las Vegas. It was loaded on the truck, and it was out for delivery. About 5 o'clock, I get a message saying, because of the plane wreck in Kentucky, my box was going to be late. Like up to 6 hours or something. So it only ended up being about 4 hours late. But I don't know how a plane wreck in Kentucky affects a package that's already loaded on a truck in Las Vegas. I don't know. But it makes you feel like somebody's not being honest with you. So anyways, here's my kit. The little gray bag. I'm kind of looking forward to this a little bit. It's number 97, and it's a family tree trinket box. Look at the card that they made with it. I love it. Look at the little birds. Like, I think they're little cardinals. I'm not sure. But, well, I guess it depends on the color you use of paper. Look, little frames to hang on the tree. I mean, it's just cute to me. I don't know why. I don't know, but it just struck me as, ooh, I need to have that kit. So, let's take a look at the paper. I think I usually start with the goodies in the gray bag, but let's start with the papers today. I don't see 6x6 or 9x9 or 8x8 or whatever paper pack, which we've been getting a lot of those lately. Okay, we have a matte gold metallic. We have a gray, and it is not textured. It is not textured. We have a white. It's not textured either. I thought most of theirs was. I guess I was wrong. This is like a rose matte metallic, pretty. We got like what is that? Vellum. Okay. So I think that's 2 sheets of vellum in a, oh, we got 2 sheets of the, see, the textured, like green color. And that is our paper. I used to love it when we used to get the, like they had the handmade paper and all of that. Oh, such beautiful stuff. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Let's look at our little gray bag of joy. Well, okay, a squirt bottle. Light mist spray bottle. Reusable ultrafine mist bottle with a lockable spray nozzle. It's obviously unlocked. There we go, unlock. Oh, I think this is going to be a good one. I like them all. I love to get, look at that color. I wonder if that's a color I already had. A metallic crystal drop, antique rose. Somewhere, and with all the moving and everything, and it's been a while and I don't know where, but somewhere I have a book with all my drops in it. We have these, which tells me that we have transfers, the sticky transfers, in with the dyes. This is Palladium Gray and Rococo Rose. And then this, I think, is the powder, yeah. Shimmer powder. Falling Leaves. And then this is a shimmer Midas Touch shimmer pen. Okay, that's our bag of goodies. It might be time to just say, you know, I used to, this kit, this Tonic, was always so wonderful. When you used to feel like, even if you didn't care about the dyes and what the kit did, the stuff that you got always made you feel like you were getting a deal anyways. So, stamps and dyes. Let's look at this side. Ooh, that's a good sized tree. Right? Look at that tree. That gives you an idea. Let me measure it, shall I? Measure it. Does it seem like I've been complaining too much? I feel like I've been complaining too much. 5 1/4 inches across the big way. And then from here to here, 5 1/2. So that's a pretty good sized die there. The good thing is it's open. When it's open like that, you can run more. You can usually cut more than once. Look at the little dog and the little cat. Look at little flowers for the trees, butterflies, a heart. Yes. Cute. In here, oh, look at that tree. Oh, look at that tree. And that's got the score line, so it'll fold. This is probably the bottom of the box. Yep, I like it. I think I'm looking forward to doing something with this. We have the rub-ons. And I expect, yes, it's going to have a lot of stuff to say about family. And family, a journey to forever. Thank you for helping me grow. Family is laughter, love, happiness, everything. Our roots run deep. Our love runs deeper. You know, that family stuff. And then we have the stickers. Family Tree Trinket box. You know, stamps. I don't know how often we would use a family tree. That's weird. In the picture, those frames look so big. Look. Is that the frame? I mean, oh, there's one there. That's a little bigger. But I thought it looked pretty big in the picture. Let's look again and see. Yeah. Makes it look really big. Okay, that's all right though. Yeah, I'm happy about the spray bottle. Very happy about the spray bottle. And I love the dyes. And we would do something with this later on for tomorrow. Because I want to do this and see how this works today. So we're going to come in with the glue. Put the glue over it and I'll let you see. You know, when I did this one, you didn't watch me do all the laying down, and you know, I did put the glue on for everybody to see, but I'll probably do that too here, but I didn't wait to do the gems, but I want regular glue, watered down glue, and the sparkle. Maybe I'll do the sparkle in the middle. This will be the watered down. This will be the shimmered. Let's see, I don't know yet. I'm kind of afraid to do these with the watered down because it's got the bigger gems. But if the other glue, the regular glue doesn't work, then it won't matter anyways, right? Because it might ruin it, but we won't know until we do it. Tomorrow we'll see, because I just would swear that glue just smelled like regular Elmer's white school glue. I'm sure it's not, but that's what it smelled like. So I'm just curious to know if it will work the same. All right, everybody. That's it for this reveal. If you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you join me again. Everybody have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.